Okay, gearheads and adrenaline junkies. A few weeks back, the On the Brink Motorsport team treated kick-ass staff and guests to a heart-pounding day of motorsports, where excitement meets high-octane fun. And guess who was in attendance? The one and only Piney from Piney's Pie Reviews. Our man Piney had a blast, immersing himself in the action and taking on the ultimate challenge, rolling a Can-Am.
Now listen, this actually was my first race day. Look, we were coming around the bend, we were cruising. I'm more going to blame it on my co-pilot here, Joseph. Like, don't you? Isn't co-pilot's the one that navigates?
You said, watch this, and then we flipped.
Okay, I just want to clarify one thing before we start getting into a fist fight here. Don't you have a co-driver that actually says left, right steering? He said the whole trip. So I'm going to take both jobs on, the driving, the steering. Oh, wow.
I said go.
Can we bill that to Clayton, please?
The Kick-Ass Promo Day was a feast for the senses, with an impressive turnout of Kick-Ass staff and special guests. The excitement was intense as everyone gathered for a ride in one of the team cars.
Hey guys, Piney from Piney's Pie Reviews and proud ambassador for Kick-Ass Products. We're at Wham Ram today with the Kick-Ass Rally Team, having some fun. I'm with Lockie here from GU Crew. Lockie, it's been a hell of a time.
These things are maniacs. We've got the Can-Am, Kick-Ass Can-Am, we've got the Kick-Ass Evo. Mental. I'm loving it.
What's been your favourite journey today?
So I'm thinking maybe the Evo. It seems a little bit more stable.
If you get a chance, jump on the GU Crew Insta's page, follow this guy, absolutely amazing, loves his cars. We've had a great team. We're going to go around and actually chat to more people. We're with Glenn with the Kick-Ass Race Team. Glenn, thanks for having us.
Yeah, it's good, mate. We give you a little bit of a run in a car. And
Absolutely,
you've already,
yeah, I've had a little bust up.
Yeah,
Now, listen, before we start, we've got to thank the guys at Noosa Outlook for the pies. That's my local. They're pretty awesome.
They're looking pretty good.
Yeah, Glenn, thanks for having us today. Like, what does it mean for Kick-Ass to be involved with your racing team?
Yeah, look, they come on board with us, and they've obviously got great products, and like our racing and their gear just seems to work hand in hand.
Cool. Now, do you want to quickly tell us about your team, how long you've been driving, why you love driving, and why you're so passionate about this motorsport?
Just got into it as a young bloke and sort of got in and out of it. Yeah, I just love doing it. I go away from it and I keep coming back from it. But doing Dakar next year sort of...
That's awesome.
Yeah, reinvigorated the team, got the team back together. So, yeah.
And you've told me you've had a couple of bad stacks. Yep.
Yeah.
Were they bad? Was it worse than the one that I had today?
No, you're a bit of a one-lap wonder, like 5-second man.
What a rookie error, seriously.
I couldn't believe when they come back and said, oh, yeah, he's tipped it over. I thought, yeah, they're taking the piss. But no, for real.
No, I had a little bust up. Once again, you've been amazing, mate. We're going to get back in your car very soon. Yep. You're going to take me and you're going to flat stick. Just quickly though, what's the next 12 months to look for you guys in terms of racing? And we're obviously going to Dakar, but what does the next 12 months look like?
Yeah, Dakar's the main aim, and do the Australian off-road in this again.
But it wasn't just about displaying these beasts. No, Glenn was generous enough to give the attendees a taste of the action with thrilling rides. Guests strapped in, engines roaring, and the unmistakable thrill of speed.
Okay guys, I'm with Lucy here. Lucy's about to jump in the buggy. You've been in you been that one?
Been in the Beamer and the Evo. So
yep. So what are you expecting out of the buggy?
I've heard it's a bit smoother, but I'm still pretty scared.
It was a roller coaster for the senses as the On the Brink Motorsport team took enthusiasts on the ride of their lives. From heart-stopping cornering to jaw-dropping manoeuvres, the Kick-Ass Promo Day with the On the Brink Motorsport team was an unforgettable showcase of power, precision and pure exhilaration.
I'm here with Lockie. How much fun has it been today?
Oh, it's been so good. It's been a lot of fun, yeah, sure.
What's been your favourite vehicle that you've been in?
I reckon the buggy's been the best. I was really, really excited to get into the Evo, but just that buggy was so much fun. I'm with little Paige. I've known Paige since she was this high. How fun was that?
That was awesome.
That was awesome. You've seen me drive. Does he drive a bit better than me?
Yeah,
amazing, eh?
Yeah,
what was your most, like, how can you describe the feeling?
Oh, like being on a roller coaster.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I know.
Stay tuned for more adrenaline-fueled action. And remember, when it comes to motorsport, it's not just a ride, it's an adventure. And soon, the biggest adventure of all, the Dakar Rally. So stay tuned for updates.
We're probably going to do that. Fast.